Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, we'll compare the different nail extension methods that every DIY nail enthusiast should know about. If you've ever dreamed of having longer nails but weren't sure how to get started or wondered which method works best, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the main techniques and help you figure out which one suits your needs best. We'll compare them in detail, what's easiest, strongest, and lasts the longest, so stick around till the end. Okay, let's get started. There are several ways to lengthen your nails, ranging from professional salon techniques to methods you can do yourself at home. In this video, we'll focus on three main options that are perfect for self-applied extensions. 1. Using nail tips. 2. Using PolyGel. 3. Using Builder Gel. Let's take a look at each method and what makes them different. 1. Using nail tips. This method involves using press-on tips made specifically for nail extensions. You apply a layer of extension gel. Press the tip onto your natural nail. Then, cure it under a nail lamp to finish. Once that's done, you can add color or nail art on top. If the width of the tip matches your nail shape, application is quick and easy. However, if your nails are very wide or have an unusual shape, it might not be the best option. 2. Using PolyGel. With this method, you place PolyGel inside a special foam tip designed for PolyGel. Spread it out using a brush dipped in ethanol. Then press it onto the nail. After curing under a lamp, you remove the tip, file the tip to shape, and the extension is complete. PolyGel already has color in it, so you don't need to apply gel color afterward. Unlike with nail tips, this allows you to complete both the extension and the color in one step, making the process faster. Just like when using tips, you can extend your nails with PolyGel if the foam tip fits your natural nail. But if your nails have a unique shape, it may not fit well. And if your nails are very short, the gel can overflow onto the skin, so this method may not be ideal in that case. 3. Using Builder Gel with nail foams. When using Builder Gel, you apply a sticker-like nail foam to the tip of your finger. Then build the nail shape by applying gel over the foam. After curing it under a lamp, you file the surface to refine the shape. And that completes the extension. The great thing about nail foams is that they're highly adjustable. You can cut or position them to match any nail shape, even tricky ones like downturned nails or upward curving nails. That's why this method is the most common one used in nail salons. Here's a comparison chart of nail extensions using tips, PolyGel, and Builder Gel. Strength. PolyGel is strong by default, while the strength of Builder Gel depends on the type of gel you use. If you use a hard gel or Builder Gel specifically made for extensions, you can achieve an even stronger finish than with PolyGel. Speed. Nail tips are the fastest since you just stick them on and cure. PolyGel is also quick because it doesn't need a separate color step. On the other hand, Builder Gel takes the most time because you need to shape and file everything yourself. Difficulty. Nail tips are the easiest, and Builder Gel is the most advanced, with the difficulty increasing along with the time required for each method. Removal. All three methods use the same removal process. Soak in remover to gently take them off. Longevity. There's no significant difference in how long they last. Each method typically lasts about 3 weeks. Considering all these features, tip extensions are the simplest and best suited for beginners. PolyGel is ideal for intermediate users who want an easy method that still offers good strength. Builder gel is recommended for more advanced users or those with challenging nail shapes, such as downturned or very short nails. So pick the one that suits your skill level and nail type best. And if you want to learn each method in more detail, I've linked separate videos for all three in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.